Welcome to your next car. Wasim here, bringing you a quick walk around to this gorgeous F36 4 Series Grand Coupe we've just got in. 2018 facelift model, presented in Estrel Blue Metallic. Of course, is fitted with the Your Next Car gloss styling pack. Let's take a look around. 19-inch Shadow Edition wheels, genuine BMW with Bridgestone run flats all round, LED headlights. It's a one-owner car, covered just over 50,000 miles. Some lovely options and features on this, such as a digital dash, very rare. LED rear lights as well. Front and rear park sensors, privacy glass. Electric boot, got the original mats in there. Let's take a look at that digital dash, which is absolutely stunning. Black leather, heated front seats, professional widescreen navigation. This one's got full BMW service history, as I'll show you just now. There we go. The next oil change is due in 14,000 miles. It's your heated seats, digital climate. Ice cold aircon, which is great as it's 27.5 degrees today. Paddle shift, cruise control, automatic lights. Excuse me. Got the original handbooks there as well. A connected drive, so a range of features. You can download an app on your phone. As you can see, we've got the weather there, widescreen navigation. Let's have a look at those maps. Cars in stock, fully prepped, ready to go. Finance options on the website, or give us a call. Thank you.